let me see the chicken head. Wow, damn. This is lovely. I especially requested for this. The taster.
Yeah. Wow, wonderful.
Really? Wow. And these are good roots for
erection.
mostly erection, right?
You guys need to introduce yourself. Let's start from here. It's our lifestyle. Once in a while, we come together as a brother. We enjoy our life. There's no time off. Are you sure we can finish this thing?
The funniest thing there is that the slim people eat the most.
Yeah, slim. See me. Nobody, no one.
They lie, you know. I eat 2 slices of bread and a cup of tea.
Mr. Thriller. I'm getting tired. But I'm not tired though. I'm getting tired. There's love in sharing.
Check this out. We're cooking chicken stew with rice. So this is the chicken. Oh, let me see the chicken head. Wow, damn. This is lovely. I especially requested for this. Oh, Adele, you see? Oh, so fine. Wow. Nice. You said what?
When we are done with this, we feel lovely.
Whoa. What's that? That's the heart, right?
Yeah.
The taster.
Yeah. Wow, wonderful.
Really? The cook. You mean the hunter and the cook. We have this. We just took this one inside the freezer. They are frozen already. So we're going to use this for the chicken and then we're going to prepare rice. Wow. Wow. You need to cover it. Whoa. That's the seasoning cube. Salt. Oil it up. Good. Whoa. This is time calculating. Have you? Yes. This is herbal root. When hunters sit down together, there is 1 or 2 things that will come up. Things like herbs. And these are good roots for kilogram. Said everything all joined together.
With
So-
erection.
Mostly erection, right? So it's the hunter that provide us with this good roots. So we were told that this is cassia root. I don't know the English name or other names, but this is
Now maybe.
cassia root. Don't mind the water. So we're gonna cut it in pieces like this and then load it inside herbs like this, and we drink. Wow, rice is ready. Wow. Oh. Whoa, let's go. Let's dig in. It's been long we did this.
You guys need to introduce yourself. Let's start from here. Just nickname or name. Apambo, Sanigo man. Apambo Victor, Isaiah. But they call me Victor Fab. I'm an artist, you know.
This is Agbara.
Agbara.
The Blade Hunter.
AY, aka Oh Baby.
Oh baby.
My name is Ismail.
AKA the Granite Man.
Grandma.
Your lifestyle.
People call me
Let's see.
Oluwode.
Brother.
Jerry Electrical Brothers. The CEO of Jerry Electrical Brothers.
Okay.
Yeah, I do. I hear you there. I see the bill now.
Yes, man.
I hear you there. I see the hot.
Keep watching Outdoor Lifestyle. Yeah.
The best place to be right now.
I know here you have slept on it.
You are not here. I want me. You are missing. A lot of something spices here.
This is going down. It's going down.
Mais tout le monde, tu ne vas pas dire à la fois. Hein?
Not welcome now. Come now.
This is our lifestyle. Once in a while, we come together as a brother. We enjoy our life. There's no time of. If I die today, I don't die tomorrow. Let me enjoy my life if I die. Make I chop this one small. Make I enjoy my life. You have one life to live. Now waiting bed, chop bed go useful are you. That one deal.
What a lifestyle is best.
Any content gives you that lifestyle. Not the lifestyle gives you that lifestyle.
Any content. What lifestyle is best.
This one is hotter than fire.
Are you sure we can finish this thing?
My brother,
I am
I'm
a
moving
trailer.
already. He's moving already.
Don't worry yourself. I'm a trailer. I will trailer this one.
The funniest thing there is that the slim people keep the most.
Yes, slim. See me. Nobody, nothing. No one.
They lie, you know. I eat 2 slices of bread and a cup of tea.
In fact, we are not having fight.
If not,
Feud up.
I'm a white man. Not all that side, the white man. You are filled up. God is still here.
I don't have your strength.
No vessel.
Feel catches on you.
I feel like crying for this meat. I feel like crying for you.
Food prepared by the one and only
Agbára.
Agbára killer.
We just changed his name to his nickname to Agbára.
Agbára. Not like it.
His nickname is Killer. But we had to change it. Some people want to know why we call him Killer. It's not because he kills people.
He was a footballer then.
He was a great footballer, a great defender. So, and there is a saying, if you miss the ball,
Don't miss the leg.
don't miss the leg.
Yeah, come. Yeah, I think you are a starter.
Come and meet me. I'm a defender. I'm sure of myself. And you can never pass me through.
That is me.
I know what I'm doing.
I know.
As old as I am, I know what I'm doing.
I know you know. This chicken tastes so delicious and natural because he raised the chicken by himself. He took the chicken from the farm. He just slaughtered it today, so fresh, not frozen, so fresh from slaughter to cooking by the one and only
Agbára.
yeah, it is.
And eating by
Feeling our belly now cold. So baby, what would you like to say to this one?
no comment.
Mr. Trailer, no comment. I'm getting tired.
I'm not tired though. I'm getting started. I'm sorry. Getting started. I'm beginning to split the items now because of this food is entering my brain one by one.
Thank you for eating with me.
I'm banking with you.
Are you a bank?
We need AC here.
Everybody is there alone. But you know the food is good to eat and the sweat.
And it's sweat.
You can see I don't fake life. We are all in real life.
Don't take life.
Now real life we do like this.
So some people might be complaining about the environment. Come on, this is where we store our rabbit.
Exactly.
Food. And we have to use it like that, then dry it so that we can feed them more, even if the corn season might pass.
No, I did not take anybody's chicken. I took 8 chicken here. Yes,
Who are they?
I did not take anybody's chicken.
Only who are there?
Chicken I put here. I
Broccoli.
know what I'm saying. I
Broccoli.
know what I'm saying.
So let me do something bad and he's smiling. Come closer. You see? So where you took that from
And
here?
say if you sleep on it,
If you sleep on it,
Because we are 7 in number.
there's love in sharing.
Yes, there's no water for part
Let's work on
two. We only have to part one.
it. No part 2 at all.
No part two.
Drake. Drake.
Please don't waste my food.
We're done. We thought we don't have much left. That's why we haven't fed the dog. But I can see that guys are hungry. So we're going to get the dog food and then we're going to give them so that they can enjoy this delicious rice. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. We're going to meet you and you're going to meet us and watch us in the next video. You have a wonderful day. Bye.
The neighborhood is not far. You can be there. Just invite us. Yeah? So baby will be with you. Thanks for watching.